Hello friends, this is Rishabh Sharma from Technology Mantra. Today we are going to see a step-by-step explanation of the C language program to add two numbers. So first of all, let me introduce you with the GUI which I used. This particular section is for the coding. You will see step-by-step line of source code here, and this section will show you the output on the screen, and this section is for memory related operations. You will see all the memory related operations performing in the program here, and this particular section is for the messages. Okay, so in our program the first line we wrote is hash include stdio.h. So what does this actually mean is stdio.h is a header file which contains some useful functions like printf and scanf. So in our program we are using printf and scanf function, so that is why we are including this header file in our program. The second instruction is hash include conio.h. So conio.h is a header file which contains CLR and getch functions which we will use in our program. So that is why we want to include this header file. The next line is to start the main function. As you already know that in C language each program contains a main function, so we will have to start the main function like this. Now we are creating three integer variables, the num1, num2 and addition. So num1 and num2 variables are those variables whose values will be added. Okay, we are creating this program to add two numbers. Okay, so these two variables num1 and num2 will store some integer values and we will add them, and the result of the addition will be stored in this third variable. Okay, so as you can see it does not display anything right now, so here is no output, and this particular instruction creates three variables num1, num2 and addition in the memory whose values are null, because we didn't provide any value to these variables till now, so the value is null. Next instruction is CLR SCR function. As you must be knowing about it, CLR SCR function is to clear the screen so that we will not see the output of previous executed program. So we are clearing the screen. Next statement is printf please enter first number. So printf function is used to display any message on the screen. So this particular instruction will display this message on the screen, please enter first number. We are asking user to enter the first number. Now in the next statement we are using scanf function to take input from user and store that value in the num1 variable. So you can see that this particular statement will take input from user. So user will write user will enter 20 and this value will be stored in the num1 variable. So now you can see num1 variable has the value 20. Next statement, please enter second number. So it will display on the screen like this, please enter second number, and we will take second input from the user by using scanf function. So scanf function will take an integer value from the user and store it in the num2 variable. So now you can see user typed the value 30 and this value is stored in the num2 variable. So now we have num1 and num2 variables value 20 and 30, and addition, the variable addition contains nothing but the null value because we didn't provide it any value till now. So the next statement will be to add these values, these variables num1 and num2 like this, and the output will be stored in the addition variable. So you can see like this, num1 plus num2, it means we are adding these variables. This variable contains 20, 30, so 20 plus 30, it is 50. So 50 will be stored in the addition variable, and you can see the memory location. Num1 contains 20, num2 contains 30, and addition contains 50. So now in the memory you can see addition variable contains 50, but on the screen we didn't show the result to the user. User wants to see what is the output, but we didn't show this till now. So for that we will use printf. Printf result is %d and the value will be the addition variable. So now you can see here result is 50. So in this way we created this program. First we took input from the user for the num1, then we took second variable's value num2 30, and we added those variables and stored the output in the addition variable, and then displayed the value of addition variable on the screen like this. So in this way this program is created. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.